like to grab it like this. Is that nice?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one.
I like this one over there.
Okay, it's got to have a nice handle
I
to it.
like that one.
You like that one?
No, that ew.
I know.
No, this one right here. That one has a really big.
I'm sorry. Okay. So it's
No.
got some nasty stuff
Oh yeah.
on
So
it.
never
What is
mind.
that?
Yeah.
Maybe this one right here? Let me see. Oh, I even like the way that this one's curved. Look at this.
I mean, look at this one.
You didn't have some
Look, look.
nice handles?
Yours is look. Yours is. But that's the pumpkin.
Yeah, I know. They're all different.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's true. It's true. But you know what?
Cause yours even has stuff on it.
Yeah,
It has
that's
stuff.
true. That's true.
That's part of the
This,
nature.
is this okay? You like this one?
I like that one over there.
You
That
like
big
that
one
one?
with the big handle.
Thank you. Which one? This one right here?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's got some stuff on it. I like this too. There was just that glossy stuff on it. I don't know what that was. I don't know.
Clean it off.
Okay, we'll do one more.
Okay. Have the smallest one.
One more.
should we
There
get a
was
little
that
one?
had a cute little handle.
Should
I mean, cute. There
this
it
one?
is. You see
Yeah.
that handle over there?
I don't think that was it. But
No. Oh, these things are. Oh my goodness. Hey. This is a cute handle too, isn't it?
yeah, I think this is cuter.
This is cute. What do you think?
This
handle,
one.
that one's cuter, right?
Yeah.
I like the handle on this one. It's flat in the back, but look, face
It
it.
looks like an actual pumpkin.
Yeah.
I mean, they're all
So,
actual.
what do you think? Maybe we should get ones with the curved. Yeah, I think I like the curved handles better. Right. So if we do like a matching
This one,
set,
yeah. This is curved
like
two,
this one,
two and two.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one's good. Yeah.
Instead of that one that's straight up. It's not so pretty. Ooh. Heavy, heavy, heavy. So we're gonna get this one.
Okay. We good?
And I'm gonna take this one out. All right.
That's nice.
More decorative. That's your thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Sunlight, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Remember,
So I'm gonna get this one. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. You want to continue to see the beauty, you have to take time out to care for your plants. They're like children. So now let's look at what Diamond has over here. She bought peppers. So I guess we can grow peppers at home. I guess.
I mean, yeah. It's just
You
a.
think so?
I mean, it's just a thought. I don't know how much it is, but
Okay, so we're gonna look into this. We just spoke to someone who said that these mums should come back next year, and so
They're
we're
very
gonna
pretty.
try that and see.
they're still growing. Look, they're all most of them in their little.
Okay, so
Yeah, seeds.
Hi everybody. We're moving into a new season and I'm so excited because there's so many things that I didn't get done during the summer. And although we're not officially out of the summer because it's not officially fall, we feel it, we feel how cool it is, and we're starting to do different things. There are people who are going back to school, and you know, job changes and all kinds of things that's going on in this new season. And of course, those of us who are content creators, we are decorating, and we're looking forward to making changes that would improve our lives and improve the lives of those who watch us do what we do. Okay, so I have not accomplished the goals that I set forth for the summer. Not only have I not accomplished those goals, but in another few months we'll be entering a new year. And what about the resolutions that we set for this year, 2023? That's a whole other story, but we still have some time. So what I'm going to be working on today is taking care of my home plants, because the reason I have these plants to begin with is to improve the air quality in my home. And I have been doing a pretty bad job this year caring for my plants. I'm not ashamed to say it, because see, I can make up for it. Although I've thrown a lot of plants out, I'm going to work at improving the quality of life for the ones that I have left. And I want to do it now because I'm so excited about this new season. So I figure I could do a little decorating while I'm doing this. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I'm working on today, okay?
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love.
Kitchen. I've been housing a lot of my plants in this bay window, and it's a space that I have to constantly clean, because I mentioned to you that I had not been taking care of certain plants, and so as the leaves die, it'll fall on this area and I would have to constantly clean it out. So instead of just repotting and doing what I need to do, I've just been cleaning around it, avoiding the very thing that I needed to do. Now, I did not have the intention to come in this kitchen and do some repotting. I always have a list of to-dos and projects. In addition to the fact that I work at home, so I do my own thing in between. Where's my other glove? I gotta find my glove. Okay. Oh, it's on the floor. Okay, so I didn't plan to repot, but it so desperately needed to be done that I said I am not going to procrastinate, because that's what I've been doing. I've been doing a whole lot of procrastinating. Now, this is one of the plants that I'm going to be repotting today. I'm not even sure what I'm going to put it into, but I'm going to find something around the house. I just took this little plant and put it in this pot, which is more decorative. That's easy peasy. This is an orchid that I've had for a very, very long time, and although the orchid flower is no longer here and hasn't been for months, I was still able to hold on to this, which I'm pretty proud of. Okay, so I'm going to be cleaning this out and repotting this. Okay, this is not what it came in. This is a Dollar Tree jar that I got, and it has a top to it, and I just took the plant out of the little pot, because you know when you buy orchids they come in these little pots, and then I just repotted it and put it in here. And this was something, I can't even remember what this was, but it worked perfectly. I was able to use it as a stand and make it look decorative in my window. So I'm going to clean this up, repot it, and put it back in my window. Now, the plant that is really suffering is in my office, and it's in the window, and it's a lime tree. And these lime tree branches grow so well. What I have been doing is clipping off pieces and putting it in water, and as you can see how well this one is growing in the water. And so I really need to clean this up, because at one time it looked like it started deteriorating, and I just, you know, kept adding water to it, didn't really clean it up. It's not attractive looking at all. So I figure if you're going to use a glass to put your plants in, that it should be clean and it should look good at all times. And it was, until I just ignored it. So I'm going to, as you can see, this is old root on the bottom and this is new. So I think that what I can get away with doing is cutting all that off. So I'm going to clean this baby up today. Okay. This is a jar that I used for, I forgot, I think it's Bertinelli, the spaghetti sauce or the pasta sauce. And so, oh my goodness, look at this. Look what's happening inside there. Look at the plants that's growing, the leaves that's growing inside there. So I definitely need to pull this out and put it in something different so that these leaves can sprout the way they want to. So I'm going to take care of this today too. And this one that I have in soil. So now I have a few in the living room. I have one in the dining room. I have 2 in the vestibule. And I have maybe 4 or 5 in the sunroom. But I'm going to go get the 1, 2, I think I have 2 that need attention in my office, and I have maybe 2 or 3 new ones that are doing fine. Okay, and then I'm going to set the table up and start nursing these plants back to health. These are the first projects for today. I am going to cut them down. They used to be really healthy and they were growing so large, but I wasn't really caring for it, anchoring them the way that they should have been anchored. And so now I think I'm just going to cut them down and propagate new growth, just like this just came off on its own, and just start new plants with the cuttings and repot what I have here, cut it down, and just give it a better environment to grow.
Could you use some too? A little bit similar.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is replace the jars, the clear jars, with these. I have 3 of this color, and I've got 3 of this color. And I got these from the Target dollar spot, which is usually $3, between $3 and $5.
Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like
done. So thank you for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.
Memories washed in every shade of green and all the colors. Summer love. Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sundae.